Come on, let's go to the kitchen. Hold this. Okay. Let's go. Give me that. Hi. Hi. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. It's kind of dark.
Hey, Judy. Wait, Jason, wait. Okay, let's go get you some fruit and vegetables. Storm!
Why do I see a big bunny?
Storm! Stop it. Hey, come on, let's get you some vegetables. Okay, what do you want? Let's get you some. You want? Let me get you some carrots. Your horses, baby. Those are big carrots. You can have those.
Here, upstairs. Give
I don't got
him those.
Those?
Yes. You're not going to keep those anyway. Give them to him.
Here, you Storm, you can't have the ranch, but you can have the carrots. I'll give you a carrots. I can't help all of them here to make them sick, but
all right,
I'll give them
Are you
3
recording?
of them.
Yeah. That's good enough.
Oh my gosh.